Hi, my name is Scott Parker. I teach the science department for Downers Grove South, and we're here at Kingsley Elementary School. We were visiting with some of the kindergartens. We just wanted to try to expose the young kids to science a little bit early in their careers of education, and then we wanted to bring our students to them to help, with just presentation skills and some of the science stuff that we do in class, and also for rewarding them for doing well in class. They get to work with the kids, and some of them have an interest in maybe going into elementary ed, so this will expose them to working with some of the kids and just interacting with them.
We helped the kindergartners have like a bunch of different science experiments. I helped with the kindergartners making slime, and they seemed to really enjoy it and really love it.
We went through step by step with them for slime, so I guess if they remember, they can make it at home if they want, if they have the supplies for it too.
My favorite part today was probably seeing about how much our students really impressed me. They kind of stepped up and showed a lot of their responsibility skills and maturity throughout the year, the growth that I've seen them from when we first had them at the beginning as freshmen until now.
I loved getting to spend time with the kids. They all seem to have like a really good reaction, and they all seem to really love the stations.